Hello again, it's the Galleries, and it's Advent Day 23. One more day after this, and that's it. Okay, so it's Chris's turn. We don't have Adrian right now because we don't want her to get sick.
I did something behind the box you couldn't see.
Chris, I got sick. Ooh, what did you do?
Oh, wait, there's one.
Okay, go ahead. Open number 23.
Ow, I just hurt my wrist. Oh, it is hedgehogs.
Oh, see? I know there's hedgehogs. Right.
There's a big one and two little ones.
Yeah, it wasn't an apple one, but it was hedgehogs.
It must be a mother of babies.
Yeah. So there we go. Oh my gosh, how cute. Go ahead and open those up. Unless you're not going to keep them. I knew there was hedgehogs. Watch it. Maybe not everything's on there is in there. This is probably a horse thing. So there's one hedgehog. Okay.
I like hedgehogs.
Yeah, she likes hedgehogs. She's a hedgehog girl. So if you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up. And why not, while you're at it, hit the subscribe button. Bye-bye.
Bye.